Welcome to my driveway, my dudes. Today I'm going to show you how to top up the windscreen washer fluid on a Toyota Corolla Fielder Hybrid. The washer jets are fairly well hidden. You can see here the little jets in there. Don't know how well you can see it. And the other washer jet is over here. It's a little rectangle. It's pretty good, pretty well hidden. I have my screen wash here. It says it's all seasons, which means it's concentrated. And you mix it depending on the manufacturer's recommendation. Or if it's all seasons, you can do one part screen wash to four parts water. Or if you're using it in the winter, you just use it dilute. You don't dilute it at all. You use a concentrate. You get an old water bottle or a jug to mix it. But what I do something a little different. So the concentrate version would be based on the alcohol content, so that it doesn't freeze in the winter. So what I do is I actually add a bit more alcohol myself. So this is methylated spirits. I find it's completely safe, but if you choose to do this, it's at your own risk. So what I do is I just usually add a little bit extra methylated spirits. My reckoning is that it's a solvent and it's very cheap. Raises the alcohol level of the screen wash. And then I will mix it. It's the summer at the moment, so I'm going to do 1 part 4. Approximately. In one of my previous videos, I have demonstrated how to open the bonnet, so I'll leave a link in the description below. And this is where your screen wash fluid fills up. So here's what I just mixed, and then we'll just literally just pour it straight in. There's only a very small reservoir in the Toyota Corolla Fielder. It's only 2.3 litres. It says it right here. And there is a fill line on the reservoir. So you don't want to make too much. The good thing about adding a little extra methylated spirits in is you can return it back to the concentrate. It's not going to make a huge difference, because when we're going into the winter, I'm going to be adding even more methylated spirits. It'll still clean the windscreens just fine. And I'm not too worried about it freezing. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button and support our channel. It won't cost you a penny. And if you found the video useful, make sure you hit that thumbs up button. Well, thanks very much again, and have a great day.